To add the Instagram URL with icon on desktop and taskbar using Microsoft Edge browser, navigate to the Instagram website. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. Although this option allows you to install the website as an app as well. However, to pin the website on taskbar, bring mouse cursor over the More Tools option. From there, you can choose Pin to Taskbar option. Click Yes on the pop-up dialog. The website shortcut will be instantly added to taskbar on the bottom of desktop screen. To add Instagram page link as desktop shortcut, resize the Edge browser to make your desktop visible. Then drag the security icon in address bar and drop it on your desktop. Also discover how I save links to unlimited websites for free as shown above. Additionally, find out how to pin any social media site on taskbar using Chrome and Edge browsers. Check description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Dozro channel.